You're talking to a girl. Things seem fine. And somehow she already knows you're nervous, that you want her attention, that you're not totally sure of yourself. You haven't said any of that out loud. She's reading you, not your words. Here are 7 things she's already picking up on. Quick question before we dive in. Which of these do you think gives guys away the most? A. Texting too fast. B. Avoiding eye contact. C. Agreeing with everything. D. Chasing the vibe after a good conversation. Drop your answer in the comments. I'll reply to the top ones. Number 1. How fast you text back. She sends a message. You reply instantly. Every single time. You just told her she's your priority. That you were sitting there waiting. That she sets a pace. A 2023 study found that consistent ultra-fast responses actually lower your perceived value. People read availability as low demand. Slow down. Not to play games. Just because a busy person doesn't drop everything. The gap says more than the message. I used to reply in under a minute every time. I thought I was being attentive. Turns out I was just being predictable. The moment I stopped watching my phone like it owed me something, conversations actually got better. Number 2. Eye contact. She looks at you. You look away first. She felt that. It doesn't read as shy. It reads as backing down. Hold it. Not a staring contest. Calm and steady. Research found that even a 3-second increase in direct eye contact significantly raised perceived attractiveness and confidence. 3 seconds. That's it. Not intense. Just present. Number 3. When she pulls back, she goes quiet. Responds slower. Seems somewhere else. Most guys panic. They double text. Ask you okay 3 times. Perform harder. She sees all of it. And what it tells her is you were never that settled to begin with. Stay where you are. She almost always comes back. I sent 4 messages in a row once when a girl went quiet. She came back and said, I just needed space. Those 4 messages told her more about my anxiety than anything I'd ever said directly. Don't be me. A 2022 Hinge report found that 64% of women said a guy checking in too much early on was a bigger turn-off than not texting enough. Stillness reads as confidence. Noise reads as need. Real talk. When someone goes cold on you, what do you actually do? A. Double text immediately. B. Wait it out. C. Send 1 message then stop. D. Spiral internally but stay quiet. Be honest. Number 4. Laughing at everything. You want her to like you. So suddenly everything she says is hilarious. She doesn't want a mirror. She wants someone with real reactions. If it's funny, laugh. If it's not, don't perform. Researchers found that people detect fake laughter within milliseconds and associate it with low authenticity. You can't fake it past her. She already knows. Real reactions are magnetic. Performed ones disappear. Number 5. How you carry yourself. She reads how you move before you say a word. Shoulders in. Phone out. Checking who's watching. Or just there. No performance. No apology for taking up space. Amy Cuddy's Harvard research showed that open body posture doesn't just change how others see you. It changes your own stress hormones in under 2 minutes. Stand like you're okay with being here. Because you are. Number 6. When she pushes back on your opinion. You disagree with her, but she seems sure of herself. So you fold. Yeah, no, you're right. She just tested you and watched you disappear. She's not looking for a fight. She's checking if there's someone real in there. Nah, I see it differently. That's the whole move. No aggression. Just don't vanish. A girl I argue with about a movie once told me later, I like that you didn't just agree with me. She wasn't looking for conflict. She just wanted to know someone real was in the room. A 2021 Bumble survey found that 73% of women find it more attractive when a man respectfully holds his ground in a disagreement. Number 7. What you do after a good conversation. Real chemistry. She was laughing, present, actually into it. And that night you text or recreate it. You bring it up the next day. You need it confirmed. The moment you chase a good thing, you kill it. Let it sit. Attachment research from Ookla shows that people who seek repeated reassurance after positive interactions are rated as less secure by their partners. A secure guy doesn't need to go back and double-check his own experience. That, more than anything else on this list, is what sticks with her? Here's what all 7 of these have in common. None of them are tricks. They are all versions of the same question. Are you actually comfortable with yourself, or are you managing how she sees you? She already knows the answer. The question is whether you do. Which one of these hit closest to home for you? Drop the number in the comments. Just a number. I'll know. And if you want more of this, the stuff people feel but never say out loud, subscribe. New video every week. See you in the next one.